Hi, this is one of the application what we have built for manufacturing industry. The idea behind this application is to track all your orders, probably the internal work order. So first of all, here we capture all the information of your job being manufactured. So let's say an example, you are manufacturing for a job for Ispat India. Okay, then you go next, you just specify what you're going to make in few words. This is just like for tracking purpose. Then the model number, what you are going to define, which is equal to QRD. Then some like internal reference number if you want to maintain, so I'm just maintaining it 1 2 3. Then the internal work order if any. The other than this, all this questionnaire which is being asked for the job can be changed, so it will be specific to your form. So next is a delivery date, like when this job will be delivered. And this is for one of the customer what we have made. Basically he just captures the color of chassis. Then next is the door color, which can be white, and the color for the grace can be uh, gray. And now you submit the application. Now, as we know, what happens next is like in the manufacturing process, the job goes through various phases. So like the new request, which is just like we created. Then the purchase. Purchase means like all the raw material which needs to be purchased. Then the designing phase, then the sharing phase, the punching, the bending and fabrication. Okay, the powder coating and the assembly, inspection, dispatch and close. This is just like a use case for one of the industry. Now what is going to happen is like when the job moves from all the phases one by one, that needs to be tracked. So this comes as a new request, you are okay, all the information is displayed on the screen. Then you click on done. So when you click when you press on done, the idea behind this application is like the job will move from the new request to the purchase one. And then when it goes to the purchase department, the purchase department will just take a call. He will just check like all the raw materials are available. So if he's confident, he will move to the next stage. So again, like if he just marks to the next stage, he will mark it as done. Okay, now once that is done, so the job has moved from the purchase and it has moved to the design phase. So now next is like when it is a design phase, you will just review it. If you find something which is not complete, we'll just click on the return button. So now in this case, the job will be returned back to the purchase department. So now job. So basically, in this way, you will be able to track the job for the various phases which is being manufactured. We have also implemented some more features. Probably I'll just explain you with the sharing and mark it as done. Okay, click on next, sharing. Okay, just note the delivery date. Now what has happened is like this is just an use case. The job is going to be delivered on 30th of November. Now what has happened is like your shearing machine has broken and it needs a repair. So you have to specify what is the delay. So like let's say an example, my delay will be like 5, and now need the replacement. Okay, so after you do this, okay, now the moment you go back to the sharing, you will just So eventually the idea behind this is the delivery date will be moved to forward, but I don't there's something wrong. The second is the dashboard what we have prepared. So this will just show you like this just shows like there is one job which is in the sharing, and like you have the capacity of 4. Okay, so based on this you can also do your capacity planning. So we have provided a nice dashboard. Then the event log, like whatever event which has happened in your for your application, that you can capture it. Okay, and even like you can calculate a delivery time. So say for example you start a job on 25th. Okay, and based on this, like when is your holiday, your holiday is on Wednesday, or else like is on Thursday. Okay, and then you just calculate. So it will just give you the next date, like when all your job can be delivered. Eventually we are going to bring up some more features. What we have in my mind is the approval for maintenance, the maintenance approval which is required, and also the inward and the outward feature. Okay, if you're interested, like just call us back for a demo. We can just visit. This application is fully configurable. So like what I'm trying to say is say for example if you have different phases in your factory, it we can cater to those phases. Basically like we'll just configure, and for your user, for your login, you'll get the features, the stages specific to the stage is specific to your request. Okay, and probably you can contact me at Shoaib Ahmed at misscube.com. You can also reach me at 9960 568 960. Thank you.